How to join Sephora affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Sephora affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I guess you already know that you can get into an affiliate program to receive some commissions if you recommend a product. Here specifically, I'm gonna talk today about Sephora. So, Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label, Sephora Collection, and includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, body, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. There is a big variety of products that you could recommend to your audience. So this is it. This is the Sephora.com. By now, I would like to show you here the international shipments and the international shipping, because in that way you're gonna be, let me check, yes, the international websites. And now, where is the presence of Sephora? Okay, so primarily, if I scroll down a lot, I'm gonna find that I have like the primary locations like the United States and Canada, and probably France, because the owner, the creator, was a French. I mean, it's a French multinational retailer. But as you can see, it has presence also in Mexico, in South America, in Brazil, and a lot of countries here in Europe, and some other in Asia too, even in Australia and New Zealand. So I guess this could help you to understand that you're gonna have big a big audience, like a lot of people to recommend these products of Sephora, because they are not gonna have any problem to find these products in their countries. Okay, so that's Sephora. Obviously, you can check, but if you keep scrolling down here in the website, you're gonna find here in About Sephora the affiliates. Okay, so I'm gonna click there, and they're gonna explain to you a little more about it. I'm gonna read first of all these additional affiliate benefits, because that's important. Oh no, sorry. I'm gonna read from here. It's pretty and simple. From becoming a member to choosing what promotions to host on your site, our program was designed to be simple. We've partnered with Rakuten to provide you the tools you need to earn commissions, while we handle all the ordering, shipping, and billing processes. So you don't have to worry about this ordering, shipping, and billing processes. Obviously, they're going to be in charge of that. What you must do is to recommend the products. And this is important because if you get into the affiliate program with Sephora, you're going to earn commissions on all products without brand restrictions. Every day free shipping over $50 and free samples with every order. This is going to help you to test some of their products, some other that perhaps are new products, and you are going to be able to test those over your skin, okay, on your skin, and obviously recommend that to your audience. Exclusive newsletters and product sneak peeks, exciting promotions, banners, and creative, and also affiliate only special offers and promotions. Obviously, best of all of these affiliate program, it's free to join, but by now you must click here in this link in these blue words. So they're going to study your affiliation, and they will contact you once they have reviewed and approved your site. So I really recommend you that if you're trying to get into this Sephora affiliate program, you must be related to these skincare and products like website or social media. That's important because perhaps, I don't know, if you are related to travel related content or video game related content, perhaps that's harder. You're gonna find it a little difficult. So wait for it because I would like to translate this and I don't know why some of these are appearing in Spanish. Okay, I think this is great. So, this is the info that you must fill in. The information about your company. So, where is located, which country, type of legal entity. So, if it's just individual or association, corporation, or some other, even non-profit, that's important. The company name, tax form. So, what's this? I would like to check this in order to recommend you that. So, US income tax forms and information for sign up. So, I guess this is going to be really important if you are located in the United States. But if you're not, you must check this. I am exempt from withholding at source. Okay? That's important. Address number 1, obviously, this is not an option. The address number 2 is an option if you want. Your city, postal code, and phone. Okay, and these are some words related to the taxes that I have showed you before. Okay, now contact and account information. This is gonna be the Rakuten account, Rakuten advertising account. So here it's gonna be your name, your surname, account email, security question if you want to recover your account in case you have forgotten your password, the answer of that security question, your login email, the password, and confirm the password. And now the main website information. So the website name and the URL, it must include this, so don't erase it. Just write there www. I don't know, in this case, webwhiz.com, and continue with that. The establishment date, that's an option, but it could help you to demonstrate like the amount of years that you have been working in your website. That's important. The main activity of the website. So as you can see, let me see, they give some options of the activity of the website, like points, loyalty programs, coupons, discount vouchers, shopping, seekers, price comparison, content, niche. This is important because if you are related, your website is related to this kind of stuff of cosmetics, skincare, beauty tools, so you must choose this one, content. But perhaps there are some others that are comparing some prices between Sephora and some other brands. So, I mean, you must to select these carefully. Okay, or perhaps other, but I guess this is not gonna help you. Like I told you before, if your content is related, I don't know, perhaps to video games, so this is not gonna help you so much. Unique visitors by month and page views per month. Okay, this is some analytics that you must find in your website too. That's important. There's gonna be a short description of your website. Perhaps you could try to fill in some more info about the deals or promotions or the amount of money that you have been able to sell or the audience. I don't know, some other affiliate programs that you have tried with your website. This is important to write it here in the short description. Okay, now main category. So there are a lot of categories, for instance, game and toys, as I was telling you before, but I really recommend you, perhaps teenagers could be important because they used to use these kind of cosmetics and skin care and so much, or health and beauty. Those are the topics that are gonna help you to pass this affiliate program. your sex, and the age that you probably work with, your website. That's important. Not your sex, your primary audience. It's gonna be here. So that's important. And now, payment threshold. Please indicate the amount from which you would like your monthly payments to be made. Please note that Rakuten Advertising will keep payments if your monthly payment is less than 50 bucks. It doesn't matter if it's an Australian or Canadian or euros. This is the currency. This doesn't matter, but if it's less than 50, so they're not gonna pay you. But this is important to know that Rakuten is gonna pay you monthly. Okay, so you can modify your threshold. Perhaps, I don't know, don't pay me if I haven't made more than $100, but there's not gonna be a minimum than 50. As you can see, if I try to just place 20, this is gonna be automatically be 50. Language preferences in the email communications and your reports to the email subscription, and the last option but not the less important, that you must to read all these. So I recommend you to scroll down these a lot, because if I would try to check these, I'm not gonna be able, so I must scroll down a lot, and in that way I'm gonna be able to check this, and this one too. And that's it. Once you have filled in all this info, you must click on I'm in. Okay, now I'm here in Rakuten Advertising. You must go to your email to verify your email account with Rakuten Advertising. Once you're here, you are gonna find these menus. So you must go into programs. And here you're gonna find a big variety of categories, but here in advertiser search, I'm gonna write Sephora. Okay. So this is gonna let you subscribe to a lot of some other affiliate programs, but right now we are now interested in Sephora. So by now they have some options with Sephora Brazil, and I guess this is for Korea, but I don't know why it is a flag of Australia. But what you must do is click on apply, and they are going to study your application. By now I'm not gonna click on apply because I don't have anything related to skincare and beauty tools and some other stuff. So I just wanted to show you this, and I wish you a lot of luck in order to pass this affiliate program, okay? And that's it. You could click on here to check some other like information. For instance, here the commission is around the 42%, and you must click on view, and there are going to be terms and conditions that you could read in order to be there. Or for instance here, yes, this is the 5%, and check the terms and conditions in order to do that. That's it. You could check the advertiser information, the offers, some links, yes, product links. So you're gonna find there are a lot of available links. Sorry, I'm going back. The coupon commission and rules. So by now here, no coupon commission rules were found for your account. The policies, the international capabilities, as I showed you previously, and the tracking. That's it. That's the info that you need to know in order to get into Sephora. Now I'm going to finish the video. Thanks for watching it. So this is how you can get into the affiliate program with Sephora.